How to Prune Roses by Koi Lantex.
Trimming these inside of the winter time, late winter. So we are going to choose which branches to all cut. So you just don't cut them all. What you want to do is choose winter branches. So what I mean by that is you'll see some are green, some are brown. These things are already looking bad. We are going to cut off all of the brown branches, leave the green ones. We want to leave 3 to 4 green branches about 6 to 8 inches high. If you want the rose to be blooming higher, then just go ahead and cut it up 12 to 14 inches high. So once again, here's a brown branch. You just go to the bottom base, snap that off. Anything brown, just go ahead and cut it off right away. This thing, now we want to start to choose which branch we want to all stay. These ones don't have a purpose, those are coming off. This doesn't have a purpose, it's too short. This one, how it's crisscrossing, it's not good. We don't want any crisscrossing branches. Now you have a few branches here, just cut those all to 6 to 8 inches tall. From here, choose 4. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, take the small pruners, make sure it's a nice clean cut. All good.